I hope you are fit and fine, enjoying your life. Please enjoy it, because the life is once. I'm Colonel Dr. Zafar Iqbal from Pakistan. You are watching my YouTube channel, that is Healthcare with Colonel Dr. Zafar and Dr. Nazia. Today I am giving you a fitness program to protect you from diseases like hypertension, diabetes, heart diseases, and kidney diseases. Please do practice with me and repeat these exercises as per your stamina. First of all, you must start with the RWR. RWR, gentlemen, is running, walking, and running. You must do it at least 40 minutes. Then carry out these set of exercises. Well done. You are young and beautiful. Jump up, jump sideways. Ladies and gentlemen, jump sideways. Yeah. Up. Keep it up. Well done. Now, arm sideways. Yes, do it. Do it. You can do it. Again, the arms up. Arms up. Yeah. You may do it fast. More fast. Yeah, on sideways. Just stretching yourself. Yes. Just stretching your body. Then sideways. Look up. Look up. Arms up and look up. This is both for your arm, legs, feet. Then, gentlemen, just stretch. Try to touch the ground. Yeah. Up, down, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Yeah. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Yes. Then sideways. Stretch your legs. Another side. Stretch your leg. Yeah. It will make you very, very comfortable. Stretch it. Yes. Then again, few jumps up. Jumps up. Yeah. You can do it. Then again, try to do it. Yeah, this is stretching exercise. It is stretch yourself. It will make you flexible. Your body will be more flexible with these exercises. Then on the back side, try to be up. On one leg, don't try to fall. Yeah. Well done. Keep it up. Keep it up, man and women. This is for both. Yes, sideways. Yeah. This is for the young people. Yeah. You all are young. Keep it up. Yeah. Well done. Well done, man. Yeah, stretch it. This way you will be relaxing also, Just relax. Yeah. Relax. Yes. Now again, push up, gentlemen. This is difficult. Look up. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, fine. Lie down, gentlemen. This is for your belly. Make strong your muscles of belly. You will be fit. Yeah. Up. Up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are at the finishing. Again, you can up. This is warming down. Come again for the push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay, now fine, because again you lie down. Yeah. 1. Be fast. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, well done. Keep it up. See you inshallah in the next video.